It's been 7 days since I started my GLP-1 journey, and here's what I'm noticing so far. First off, let's get the numbers out of the way. Everyone wants to know how much weight I've lost, especially after I posted that very first video where I lost 1.6 pounds in the first 24 hours after taking my first injection of tirzepatide. I'm now up to 3.8 pounds lost and 1 inch lost around my waist. Although I'm excited about the 3.8 pounds, I don't really anticipate keeping up with that same pace throughout my journey. I clearly had a lot of inflammation that I am very happy to release, and I do realize that it's not like 3.8 pounds of fat, and a healthy amount of weight loss is about 1 to 2 pounds per week. Let's talk about negative side effects. I haven't really had any. I did notice that on days where I wasn't drinking enough water, I had a little headache before bedtime, and I was able to head that off by just simply drinking some more water. So that would probably be the only negative side effect that I've experienced so far. The biggest impact that I've noticed has been on my appetite. I especially noticed the first 2 to 3 days where the appetite control was really strong. And I continued to eat at normal times, although just not as much. And I will say in the last couple of days leading up to my next injection, which will be tomorrow, I've been a little bit hungrier, but not so much so that I am, slipping back into old habits at all. The volume being turned down on my food noise has been life-changing. I have room in my thoughts for other things other than food. Finally, this has been so impactful on my day-to-day life because I'm no longer thinking about what my next meal is going to be, what I can snack on, and anything that I'm craving. I really just haven't had any cravings at all, and it's been fabulous. I decided to start my GLP-1 journey after perimenopause symptoms were really kicking my butt, especially the weight gain, but also having terrible sleep at night, being cranky, having zero energy. And I know a lot of people will say this is normal stuff, but it really accelerated after I turned about 45. So I'm really excited to see what happens as I'm on tirzepatide long term. So stay tuned.